hope you're doing well today. This is going to be a little tutorial on my pink lemonade look that I was wearing in a couple of videos, and it got such a good response, and a lot of you guys were asking me for like a get ready with me or tutorial on it, so I decided to do it. I really enjoy this look. It is extremely bright, and it's using one of my favorite palettes ever, and that is my BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. I do have a review, so I will link that up in the cards, and I do have a like pinky purple eyeshadow tutorial in that video, but look how pretty these colors are. It is beautiful, and the eyeshadows are such great quality. So if you want to see how I created this pink lemonade look with my gold and my hot pink, just keep watching. So I already primed my eyes with the Smashbox eyeshadow primer, and then I set it with a matte cream eyeshadow. And since I'm doing a more colorful look today, I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Milk. I probably look a little crazy right now, but the white was just to help kind of boost my eyeshadows, and the eyeshadows that I'm going to be using today are from the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival eyeshadow palette. First, I'm going to go into this beautiful gold shade right here in Euphoria. I'm actually going to wet my brush a little bit. I'm just using the Mario Badescu green tea aloe spray, whatever it's called. And I'm going to put this on most of my lid. Since this is a pink lemonade look, I'm going to have to throw in some pink in there. So I'm going to go into this lighter pink in the palette. It is a matte, and this is electric, and I'm just going to blend it into my crease. And as you can see, it may not look that intense in the pan, but it is a very light hot pink. And I'm just going to be focusing that in the crease, as I said. So now we have that really hot pink in the crease, I'm going to actually break a bit of a beauty rule right here. I'm going to use Solstice right here, and this is a shimmery rose gold pink color. I'm going to use this on my outer corner, and first I'm going to start off with my finger, and then if I need to use a brush, I will. I love this color so much. It's one of my favorites in the palette. And this just looks so pretty over that light pink. I think I'm going to need to go in with a brush. I'll make this a little bit more seamless with the gold and the pink in a little bit, but I want to blend more hot pink into my crease. But I'm going to go into the shade Dippie, which is this really, really hot pink shade. I'm going to go in with the same crease brush. And I'm only dipping lightly because this is really pigmented and it actually stains. I forgot to mention in my review, but this shade does stain slightly. And I'm just going lightly over that pink shade. I'm just going to clean up the edges around that pink and just highlight my brow bone a little bit with this Essence eyeshadow. I'll put it in the description box. I forget what the name of it is, but I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and help blend a little bit. I'm going to speed up this clip, but I'm just going to go back and forth between the gold Euphoria and then Solstice, the shimmery pink, and just kind of intensify it and blend it out as needed. Now that my lid is more intensified, I'm just going to go over the edges a little bit with that same crease brush. And I always like to do my eyes first because I do get some fallout, just because I don't really care that much when I'm applying my eyeshadows if I do get fallout, because I always clean it up anyway. So I just put some makeup remover on a cotton round, and I'm just going to go underneath my eyes and clean it up a little bit. To save some time, I just want this to be a little bit of a quicker video. I'm going to do my liner, mascara, brows, and my foundation off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I probably look a little bit washed out right now because I only have foundation and concealer on. I didn't even powder yet, but my eyeliner is done. Yes, it's uneven, and also, yes, my eyeliner is running out, so that I'm going to blame it on why that's uneven. Anyway, I'm going to apply a cream blush. I'm actually going to be applying a lipstick as my cream blush because I'm trying to use it up. And I'm going to be using MAC Brave, and this one's almost done. I'm not even going to show you because it's like a nub right now. So I like to roll it on the back of my hand right here like this. And then I take my Real Technique sponge, which is disgusting right now. I should probably open up another sponge soon, but I'm gonna roll with this one as long as I can. So what I like to do, I like to just stipple it and just kind of blend it on my cheeks like this. I put this blush over my foundation, but before powder. For my powder, I like to spray my face, and I have been using the Marie Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And I'm just setting my face with the smallest amount of the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. I have been liking a more dewy look. I always like a dewy look, but I've just been using less powder, and I really like the effect of it. I like to push it in with a sponge, but my sponge is just so dirty right now, so I've just been using a brush. For my blush and bronzer, I'm going to be going into my Tarte Hamptons Weekender Little Face Palette. I love this product, and it's just so small and compact. These are what the shades look like. And I might use the highlighter, but I'm probably just going to use the one I'm currently panning right now. But for my bronzer, I'm going to be using the one in Farmer's Market. And it is a little bit dark, so I just tap it in slightly, and then I tap it on the back of my hand just to avoid harsh lines and an unblended contour. The blush, I'm going to use the shade Summer House, and this is actually very similar to MAC Brave, which is the cream blush I used on my cheeks. And this one's also very pigmented, so I really just like to dig in a little bit and then tap it on the back of my hand just to ensure, again, no harsh lines because we don't want that. For my highlighter today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder in the shade Pearl Glow, and that's all I have left of it. This is in my Finish 5 by Fall, and I think this is going to be the video after that one, and I filmed that one around 2 weeks ago, so when you see it, I have a lot more product than what I have currently, but this is one of my favorite highlighters ever. This highlighter is actually, like, blinding. I love this, and it's, like, the perfect shade for my skin tone. Like, I love it. It's beautiful. We are highlighted and looking like a glazed donut, so I'm perfectly fine with that. So the face is done, and I'm going to go in to my lower lash line, and I'm still going to go in with my BH Cosmetics palette. First, I'm going to go with the shade Hippie Dippie, and this is the really hot pink. And I did notice that in my previous video, I did have more of this really hot pink and Dippie in my crease, but I didn't feel like doing that today. If you want to go more hot pink, go for it. Do it, girl. But I'm just going to focus this on the outer corner of my lower lash line. So I said outer corner, but I actually meant like most of my lower lash line. So I would say go into maybe the middle of your eye. And now I'm going to go into the gold just to kind of recreate what I'm doing up top. So going to mostly the inner corner and then fading into that pink shade. And there's a highlight shade in that palette. I think it's called Trixie, but I'm just going to use my e.l.f. highlighter because I'm trying to use it up. And just highlighting the inner corner. And of course, any of these steps are optional, but I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Midnight Cowboy and put this, I would say, on like the inner of my lower lash line. And I actually haven't been wearing lip liner lately, but I'm going to use my ColourPop Aquarius because it's pink and neutral, and I figured it would go with this look. And to make it a little more pink, I'm going to go in with MAC Brave as well. Okay, I'll show you. There's like literally nothing left. So this might be the last, I probably have a couple more uses after this, but just want to use it up. And I'm feeling lazy today. I don't feel like running over to my dresser and getting my mascara to do a lower lash line mascara. And everything's been smudging on me anyway. So this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. This is one of my favorite looks I've created. And then like I said in the video, you can always add more hot pink to it and add whatever you want. Go with liner, go without, add some lashes. I wish I had some lashes right now, but I'm currently on my no buy and I'm just gonna buy them after July is over. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already because I will be doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. Please help me hit it. I want to give away this makeup. It's been sitting for forever. But anyway, I hope I see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.